welcome to We Are Fin, and with me now I have Pablo Wangermann from DXC Technologies. Welcome to We Are Fin.
Good morning.
Good to have you here. We were going to talk, and we will do, but I was going to start off by asking you to explain the revolution in aerospace that's going to be taking place, so Aerospace 4.0. But we are at the start of something truly exciting, aren't we?
Absolutely. We see a lot of technologies maturing that have a lot of potential impact on the aerospace industry. So you can run a very long list: additive manufacturing, blockchain, IIoT, big data and analytics. It's an extremely long list. And when you put them all together, and we're seeing this in our work with clients, there is a lot of opportunity to provide major savings, provide major improvements to customers. But it's, so yes, we're at the start of a very exciting era.
You're working a lot with companies getting them ready for this change. We'll come on to that in a moment. Is it a change as we start to get ready for this next industrial revolution that's affecting or making legacy businesses struggle more with that change?
Yes, that's a great question. One of the challenges we see is that part of what this technology is focusing is a change in the way businesses work internally. Traditionally, the technology side of the house, the IT function, has operated at arm's length to the operations side of the house: engineering, manufacturing, supply chain. And one of the things, whether it's the industrial Internet of Things or blockchain is doing, is forcing a much more, both a different collaborative way of working, as well as, in terms of cultural change, you now need to think in terms of rapid innovation and, providing new capabilities in a matter of weeks, if not months, as opposed to the typical year-long technology programs that many in the industry might be used to. So this requires sort of a change in culture, and therefore often a change in organization in our clients in order to enable them to capture the benefits from the range of Aerospace 4.0 technologies.
So as you're working with your customers and you're trying to change their internal ecosystems, for want of a better phrase, how do you start to do that change? How do you take them along? How do you hold their hand through that?
So this might sound surprising coming from a technology services company, but one of the things we encourage them to do is to start outside in. So to really focus on, when we talk digital transformation, which is a hugely overused phrase, but when we talk about it, what we're saying is to our clients, how do you want to change your manufacturing process, for example? Or how do you want to change the experience your customers have as they interact with yourselves? Once you've defined outside in using principles like design thinking, how you want to transform either your processes or the business model or your interaction with your clients, then that will force and guide how you think about this whole portfolio of technologies that you can exploit in the service of that change in, say, manufacturing process. If you don't have that guiding light and know what you want to do with it, the technology is great, but you'll get lost in sort of a sea of initiatives that aren't necessarily generating value.
Some interesting times ahead.
Absolutely. There's plenty of challenges, but I don't think the opportunities to fundamentally transform have ever been greater.
Thank you very much for your time, Pablo.
Thank you very much.
Now, for the latest on that and the change taking place within the industry, of course, head now to wearefin.com.